LY-17 is a multi-arm randomized phase 2 study in patients with relapsed or refractory diffuse large B-cell lymphoma that are stem cell transplant eligible. And the goal of the trial was to try to rapidly identify promising regimens that could hopefully beat our traditional standard of platinum-containing chemotherapy. In Canada, this is GDP for us based on the older LY-12 study. So this is a trial that we're trying to evaluate a number of different regimens. So we previously looked at the combination of GDP plus ibrutinib, which was found to be toxic from an infection standpoint. What we reported here was 2 arms. Again, the control arm was R-GDP. The experimental arm was a more intensive platinum-containing regimen called DICEP, which was pioneered by a group in Calgary, Alberta. And what the trial does show, based on 32 patients randomized in each arm, is an improvement in response rate and complete remission rate for patients getting a more intensified chemotherapy regimen. Now, the challenge with that, when you look at the current landscape, is certainly that we have a number of other exciting, novel approaches which are no longer traditionally chemotherapy based. And so, our take on this was, this is a very interesting finding, and we're able to show the validation of a single arm data looking at this regimen. But I think moving forward, we'll be interested in pursuing targeted therapy in this setting, building on a regimen that's a little more tolerable from a toxicity standpoint, such as GDP.